Anyway, we met the vendors today just to discuss how they can observe the curfew hours as well as social distancing that is a requirement because of COVID-19. And during the discussion, we have heard one key issue that there are some vendors who want to sleep here on a Friday. So obviously with curfew, they cannot sleep here. So we have cleared that matter, that they cannot sleep outside the market, and they've accepted that. The other issue that they raised with me was to do with the stall fee. And again, I've assured them that we will, we will just look at the issue day by day. If there is a need to decrease the stall fee, we will consider it. But for now, there is no need because there is good supply of fruits and vegetables. People are coming to the market, overcrowding the market, and we've seen that the prices of fruits and vegetables have gone up. So, and again, if you look at the stall fee is $1.25, and the last time that fee, I would say, from 1993, the fee has not gone up. So from 1993, the vendors are paying $1.25. Right, whereas the cost of everything else has gone up. And in this day and age, we can't even buy any vegetable we want for even $2. The prices are going up, right? So they have accepted the fact that we will consider any reduction in stall fee as things worsen. If it does, then only we will consider reduction in fee. If things are all normal as we see today, there is no need for it.